I will share with you why your content looks good but gets no traffic. Now, the main reason is a lot of AI influence in your AI content. Now, if you're writing articles by just solely using ChatGPT, I prefer you to use one more prompt, which is humanizing an entire article. You can see this, right? Just take a screenshot, pause this video and take a screenshot and implement this. Just add this following, and if you want, you can just go and put in instructions, custom instructions for ChatGPT or Claude or DeepSeek or whatever AI chatbots you're using to write SEO optimized articles. Or you can also use a tool called Arrow. You create a knowledge base and it will write every single thing for you, including the images and everything. I use Arrow, but yeah, doesn't matter. Add this as a custom instruction so that you don't have to do it manually every single time, and your content